Hi, this is Sara Levin, the Artful Inker. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and in this video I have a quick and easy happy birthday card using Celebrate Sunflowers and Happiest of Birthdays. Let me set this aside and we'll get to the creating. For this quick and easy card, we're going to use the sentiment set Happiest of Birthdays and combine it with the Celebrate Sunflowers stamp set. Let me set these aside. And I've got my silicone craft sheet and one of the Whisper White note cards from the Note Cards and Envelopes. They are great for quick and easy cards. And I've got my Bumblebee ink pad, and we're just going to stamp these sunflowers all over. Turn your stamp as you go so that you get the leaves going in different directions. And let's set this out of the way now and take this out of the way. Whoops. I'm being careful because I got a little bit of ink on my craft sheet and I don't want to transfer that to my note card. So next I'm going to use my Stamparatus, and I've already marked where I want to line this up, and that's a great thing to do if you are doing multiple cards. I'm just going to check that we're still where we need to be. And let's grab the Misty Moonlight ink pad. And we'll give this a rub all the way across. It's a large stamp. Okay. And I may do this one more time. And that will deepen the color. Okay, and let's take this out and move this aside. And let's see about a little bit of embellishment. I'm going to add some in-color enamel dots using the Take Your Pick and this Misty Moonlight. You may have noticed when I stamped that I got a little halo here around this one stamp, and I'm going to partially cover it and then ignore the rest. Now I don't usually get halos when I stamp because I'm typically inking the stamp rather than pouncing in the ink, and that makes all the difference in the world. So I'm going to set this aside, and I've got one of the envelopes that's part of the Note Cards and Envelopes, however I'd like to pronounce that. And we're going to ink the stamp rather than stamp into the ink, and just decorate the front of our envelope. So let's set this aside, and here we go for a quick and easy birthday card. You could make your whole month's worth of card in just a few minutes using the Note Cards and Envelopes, Celebrate Sunflowers, and the Happiest of Birthday stamp set in any colors you wish. Thanks for stopping by today. This was Sara Levin, the Artful Inker. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell if you'd like to be notified of my next videos. Have a great day. Bye.